Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to send pictures and character AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the best method to send pictures on character AI is by copying and pasting the images URL into the chat, or simply going to chat itself and clicking on the pictures emoji. So this method allows the AI to recognize and display the image within the chat. So first of all, you need to locate the image itself, and it could be on website or your Google Photos and stuff like that. So simply open the image and simply copy the image URL. And now you need to simply go and see your messages. There you need to hit on the upload image option or simply paste the URL. Once you have done this, you need to simply add a caption if you want to, and simply send that particular message to someone you want to chat in character AI. So this way you can send pictures in character AI. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.